Afternoon guys, and welcome to the Los Carrascos community in Arboleas on this beautiful evening, early evening. And I've just come up to do a little walk around of a new listing, an exclusive new listing, Villa Sunlight. Now this is in the Los Carrascos community, as I say. It's a Lakes Vega Villa. Now those of you who know the constructor and the location will know their villas were, I suppose, the ones with the best reputation for the highest quality. You had things like damp cores, cavity wall insulation, a standard and a very, very good quality of build. Now it's situated at the back of a 600-metre plot, and it kind of, because it's at the back, there's a lovely off-street parking area, which we'll have a look in a minute, but it makes this kind of front garden area here look exceptionally expansive. As you can see, for ease of maintenance, it's been mainly laid with artificial grass, an 8x4 swimming pool in front of us there with wonderful side steps, and that's all pristine, but it's been kind of newly refurbished. So great kind of conservatory winter room, you can see there, full guttering around the property. That leads off into the lounge which sits behind it, and that's the master bedroom window sitting there in front of me. Now there's lovely borders here with established kind of palms and yuccas. Now that one there, for example, if that was taken down, I'm sure the current owners wouldn't mind, but there's an absolutely gorgeous view through there. And then behind the guys you've got a wonderful Lakes Vega 2-storey, but that's a kind of stairwell window, so there's no kind of windows overlooking the garden, so it's very, very private, although you've got neighbours. Love this kind of wooden pergola bench seating area, and a nice plastic storage bin tucked to the side of that. So very, very beautiful outside space, but low maintenance being key. And I think we say in the description when it goes live, you know, this is ideal, perfect kind of full-time residence as it is now, or lock up and leave holiday property. Now you can see from just behind the brolly there, you've got an extendable sun awning that comes quite a long way out, and a nice dining area outside. And then inside the conservatory you've got another kind of seating come dining area, but that's obviously all under shade. Take a look in there in a second. Nice little barbecue section. And then this terrace kind of runs up the side of the property and adjoins the main parking area. Before I pop up there for you and have a look, let's have a little pan around the garden from this end. Now you're within very, very easy walk of two popular bar and restaurants. The place to be in Carrascos being the closest, you're probably 3 minutes walk from that, and 3 minutes drive maximum from Arboleas Centre itself. Another quality you can see of the Lakes Vegas here, you had marble topped window sills, high quality stone cladding all around the base. So I've popped round to the other side of the property. This is, if you like, the back door, which leads straight into the kitchen. This is immediately adjacent to the car parking area, so perfectly located. Steps going up to a wonderful roof terrace. Now I'm going to take a wander up there and film the car parking area, because from down here I can't help but get the number plate, which I don't want to do. So you can see from the side, beautifully walled and kind of fenced with quality ironwork, double access gates and a pedestrian gate. That leads you into a very good size off-street parking area, fully tiled, and there's a few steps off either end of this taking you down to the villa. It's a bit below up here, so I'm not going to take too much footage, but up to this very good sized roof terrace, and you can see absolutely gorgeous views around you. And from the carport area and street side, genuinely the whole back garden, you have not got the foggiest what's behind you, totally private. Now what I didn't film when I came around that side of the property is there's a very useful understair store cupboard as well. And now let's just take a quick glimpse down this side of the villa before going on inside. Just to give you some idea of the kind of terracing on the car parking bay. And then this wonderful flower flagstone pathway leads all down here past some very handy log stores and back out into the main part of the garden. Absolutely immaculate. So coming in through the kitchen door, and again, I know it doesn't seem like much, but that's such a handy feature. You come back from the supermarket with bags of shopping and the kitchen's right over the other side from the parking area. Is not a great design feature. This one works much better. So come into this beautiful granite worktops. 5-ring gas hob, you can see there in front. There's a drinking water system installed as well. Lovely dresser here. Now, Lakes Vega, again, one of their kind of specs, if you like, and qualities is they had oak fitted wardrobes and doors as opposed to the bog standard pine. So just going up a dimension in terms of quality. And I love this kind of tiling scheme that runs throughout here. So into the lounge, dining area, and then double doors right in front of me take you out to the beautiful conservatory you saw from the outside. Fly screens fitted throughout. You've got a very good size air conditioning unit in here and a very good quality one. Now taking a look from this side, arch access then goes into a nice kind of hallway area, and off of here you have the 2 bedrooms and both the bathrooms, which we'll take a look at in a second. A little pan around from this end first, and you can see a lovely corner mounted glass fronted wood burner there. Now kitchen appliances and light fixtures will stay, but at the moment we're undecided on the furniture because the current owners are kind of staying in location and might need a lot of this, so we'll get back to you on that when we've got a better answer. Now let's go and take a look at the bedrooms and the bathrooms. So coming into the hallway through the arch off the lounge, you've got this beautifully appointed bathroom, full bath overhead shower. And then immediately to the right of this, the double guest bedroom, gone for 2 twin beds in here, or single beds. Which is clean, fresh, not over cluttered, air conditioned, you can see. Quick peek from this side. Very good sized bank of floor to ceiling fitted wardrobes in here. And then out of here and immediately in front of you, passing the family bathroom, you've got the master bedroom with very nice sized ensuite, gone for the double walk-in shower in this one. Lovely white vanity unit, mirror above, similar to the family bathroom, and then beautiful double bedroom here. Now the window there looks out over the garden and the pool area, and immediately to my left, further double doors straight out to the winter room and conservatory. Another generous bank of fitted wardrobes in this room. So let's go out of this door rather than off the sitting room, which you can see over to my left here. All these are sliding doors, so it can be opened up lovely and breezy. They've got fly screen panels that slide across in front. So absolutely glorious room this time of year in the winter. An absolutely beautiful space this. So there you have it, Villa Sunlight, an absolutely quality 2-bed, 2-bath Lakes Vega Villa, just 3 minutes from Arbolea Centre, in beautiful 600-metre gardens. I'll leave you with one more little pan around. This could be you guys. Full details will follow shortly, and the price is 189,950 euros. Very, very reasonable for location and the quality of build. Further information, pictures, contact us as usual, CalidaHomes@hotmail.com, or give us a call, +34 950 430 763. See you soon.